Today we are discussing about cataract. A cataract is a painless cloudy lens in the eye that causes blurry vision. Following are the causes of cataract. Congenital. It includes hereditary, intrauterine infection, maternal drug abuse. Old age. Side effect of certain medication. Person suffering from metabolic disorders such as diabetes, galactosemia. Also, it can be caused as complication of certain diseases and traumatic and inflammatory eye condition. Now, let's look forward on disease process. Cataract is formed on the lens. Lens is a part of eye that focuses light on retina to form a clear image of object. Due to above mentioned causes, tissue within the lens break down and clumps together, clouding small area within the lens. This clouding is called as cataract. As the cataract continues, the clouding becomes denser and involves a bigger part of lens and blocks light passing through it, causing blurry vision. Now let's get started with classification of cataract. Morphological classification. Anterior subcapsular. In this, cataract is formed on the anterior part of lens. Posterior subcapsular. Cataract occurs on posterior part of lens. Nuclear cataract. A cataract is formed on center of lens. Cortical cataract. A cataract is formed on edges of lens. Next classification is based on degree of maturity. It includes mature cataract. In this, cataract is formed on entire lens. Next is immature cataract. In this, cataract cover partial part of lens. Now, let's look on clinical manifestation of cataract. Blurred or dim vision, increased difficulty with vision at night, sensitivity to light, scattered light, hollows around light, double vision, fading of color. Cataract can be diagnosed by doing visual acuity test, slit lamp examination and ophthalmoscopy. It can be managed by doing surgery. No medical treatment is available. Surgical management include phacoemulsification, cataract extraction and lens transplant.